Did you know you don't have to crank out hundreds of push-ups every single day to build muscle? Forget about heavy gym machines or complicated equipment. Sometimes simplicity is the best way to get results. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use push-ups strategically in your workout to build serious muscle, get stronger, and boost endurance. We'll dive deep into the science behind muscle growth, talk about how many push-ups you actually need to do to see real gains, and later, I'll give you pro tips on perfecting your form so you avoid injury and maximize results. Let's start by understanding what muscle hypertrophy really means. It sounds fancy, but it's simple. It's just the process where your muscle cells grow bigger because of exercise. When you do push-ups, you're lowering and lifting your body weight, putting your muscles under stress. This stress causes tiny micro tears in the muscle fibers. And don't worry, these tears aren't harmful. In fact, they're a crucial part of muscle growth. When your body repairs those tiny tears, it doesn't just restore your muscles to their old state, it builds them stronger and bigger than before. That's how you get stronger over time. Push-ups have been a classic workout move since forever, and for good reason. They don't require any equipment, yet they work a surprising number of muscles at once, from your chest and back to your shoulders, arms, and core. But what exactly happens in your body when you do push-ups? Well, no matter which kind of push-up you choose, you'll feel the burn. That's because push-ups recruit multiple muscles simultaneously. For example, the classic push-up, where your hands are directly under your shoulders, mainly target your chest. But if you bring your hands closer together, near your sides, you switch the focus to your triceps. And throughout the entire movement, your core stays engaged like it's holding a plank, keeping your body stable. Plus, push-ups don't just build muscle, they get your heart pumping too. Since they involve several large muscle groups at once, your cardiovascular system has to work harder to deliver blood and oxygen to your muscles. This added demand on your heart can actually improve your cardiovascular health. In fact, one study found that men who could do 40 or more push-ups had a significantly lower risk of heart disease over the next decade, compared to those who could do only 10 or fewer. Before doing any push-up, hit that like and subscribe button. So, push-ups are a powerful all-around exercise, building muscle, increasing endurance, and helping your heart stay healthy. Now, how many push-ups should you actually be doing every day? First, find your max, the most push-ups you can do in one go with perfect form. Once you know that, you can set your daily goal. Here's a simple guideline. If you max out at fewer than 25 push-ups, aim to do 50 to 75 daily. If you can do between 25 and 50, push for 50 to 150. If you can do over 50, challenge yourself with 150 to 250 push-ups a day. You don't have to do them all in one set. Break them into 2 to 4 sets throughout the day. And here's a tip. Aim to add 1 or 2 more push-ups every week to keep progressing. But don't sacrifice form just to do more reps. Good technique is everything. If you notice your hips sagging, or your butt sticking up, or your head dropping or tilting too far up, stop and reset. Quality beats quantity every time. You might wonder, how far can push-ups take you? They're fantastic for building upper body strength, muscle size, and endurance. But since your body weight limits resistance, they may not be enough alone if you want to get extremely strong. That's why mixing in other exercises or using weighted variations can help. Also, remember, building muscle isn't just about exercise. Your nutrition plays a huge role too. If you're just starting out and can only do a few push-ups, focus on gradually increasing your volume and speed over time. And don't hesitate to add other movements to your routine to achieve a balanced, aesthetic physique. Now let me share why progressive overload is your secret weapon. It means challenging your muscles more each session by doing more reps, increasing resistance, or trying new push-up variations. Speaking of variations, they're a great way to keep your workouts fresh and target muscles differently. Here are some favorites and how to master them. 1. Incline push-ups. Perfect if you're building up to full push-ups or need a lighter version. Find a sturdy elevated surface like a bench or table. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on it. Step your feet back so your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself slowly, keeping your core tight and hips aligned. If your hips sag or your back arches, reset. As you get stronger, lower the height until you're doing regular push-ups on the floor. This variation emphasizes your lower chest and back muscles. Second T push-ups. Add a twist, literally. Start in a standard push-up position. Push up, then rotate your body to one side, extending your free arm toward the ceiling. Your body will form a big T. This move works your chest, shoulders, and core hard. Keep your hips stable and avoid twisting your back. Alternate sides with each rep for balance. Third plank to push-ups. Start low on your forearms in a plank. Push up with one arm at a time until your palms are on the floor, then lower back down. This trains your core and shoulder stability, making your muscles work harder to stay steady. Keep your body straight and hips square. 4. Diamond push-ups. Bring your hands close under your chest, thumbs and index fingers touching to form a diamond shape. Lower down slowly, with elbows tucked in close to your sides. This targets your triceps and inner chest intensely. If it's tough, drop your knees or try an incline version until you build strength. 5. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet on a bench or box, hands on the floor. This shifts more weight to your upper chest and shoulders, upping the challenge. Keep your core engaged and body straight. Play with different heights and tempos. Slow lowers and explosive pushes work great. 6th, plyometric push-ups. Plyo push-ups. Explosive and powerful. Lower yourself as usual, then push off the ground with enough force for your hands to leave the floor briefly. It's like adding a small jump. This builds fast twitch muscle fibers for power and speed. Start slow and land softly to protect your wrists. And these are just a few. There's also archer push-ups, Spider-Man push-ups, handstand push-ups, and many more. Each challenging your muscles in unique ways and keeping your workouts exciting. Now, here's something crucial. Recovery. Muscles grow when you rest, not just when you train. Without rest, your performance drops and injury risk rises. Most experts recommend resting at least 48 to 72 hours between resistance workouts. Listen to your body. If you're constantly sore, struggling to sleep, or losing strength, take a step back and give yourself time to heal. Finally, form is king. It's better to do fewer push-ups with perfect form than 100 sloppy reps. Good form means your muscles are working correctly, you avoid injury, and you build strength efficiently. Here are some tips to keep your push-ups sharp. Keep your core engaged to prevent your back from sagging. Keep your head, neck, and shoulders aligned. Your gaze should be slightly ahead on the floor or straight down. Hands should be just wider than hip width, aligned under your shoulders to protect your joints. Don't let your hips drop or your butt stick up. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. So, there you have it, a complete guide to push-ups that will help you build muscle, increase endurance, and keep your heart healthy without complicated equipment. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up, push-ups can be the foundation of your upper body workout. And if you want to know how to combine push-ups with other moves for total body aesthetics, I've got a video coming up next that's perfect for you. Don't miss it. Click this video to find out more.